Hi guys, it's me, and today we are just playing some Roblox. At least I didn't get confused on saying Minecraft this time because I am just so used to playing Minecraft that I don't realize that I'm not actually playing it. So right now I'm just gonna go build. We're playing Build to Survive, and these doors just automatically close. Hey, come on! Help! Help! I'm falling. Oops. Okay, so I'm gonna do this. I'm trying to place this. Actually, I got an idea. Um, this is a great thing to attack monsters with. Cancel. What? He's like placing these. Cancel. Cancel already. What does this do? Oh, it kills you. It catches you on fire. Cancel. What? I'm dead. Okay, so this is pretty much my thing. I hate it. It's so bad. Okay, so I'm gonna just break everything. Okay, so now two, maybe. Oh no. Two, and then I need this and I don't know what we're fighting, so yeah. I'm just gonna keep building my house. It's a pretty one. No. Oh, two. And now, yes. Okay, fine. I won't. Yes, and I'm gonna place that over here, and that over here, 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 and that over here, 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 and that over here, that over here, that over here, that over here, and back to toolbox. And can we like, is there such thing as basic building, advanced building? Yeah, really, I want stairs. I mean, one. Okay, two. And I am going to have actually I'm gonna erase a block, which is this block. And now two, I'm gonna place trapdoor grass and so you fall through it and you can oh my god. Actually, I'm gonna make this all trapdoors. Oh, cool. Okay, so I actually am gonna erase dish, 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 all of my trapdoors because I don't want them. Okay, now I'm gonna place advanced welding, deadly machines. Oh boy. Nobody ever cross. here. Okay, good. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god, I died, I think. I don't. Oh, yes. No, I did not actually. I'm just. Okay, so, reset characters. Reset. YouTuber commands. You need. Okay, whatever. Oh my god. So I am just gonna go through the laser things and see if I can get burnt. No, I can't. I just. What? That's weird. I just disactivate them. That's cool. Two, and let's see. House interior kit. There is a couch, fireplace, bookshelf, coffee table. No. Fun machines. Maybe yes. Gonna place it over here, and then place one over here, and then place one over here. And now, no. Okay, good. Oh, I got an idea. I'm gonna have elevator, and I'm gonna place it right over here. Oh, no, no, no. I'm gonna get smushed. I hope. I hope. And okay. Okay, I'm just waiting. Oh, I think I have to get off from it. So I don't really see any monsters, so I'm not gonna slash kill myself. He's just starting over. Okay, that's. Whoa, who built that? Okay, I got an idea. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Fancy. Very fancy, actually. And I'm going in here. I can't break that. I can go in here and try to kill her. Roger, alien. How are you flying? Oh, there. No, we want to get into his base. Oh, there's like this little door thingy. You can't go to it too. And I want this. I can't place it because this is not where I live. Like my base. Cancel. What's this? Cancel. And there's a bunch of lasers. And I am not slash killing myself. God. So I guess two. And fun machines actually space kit, and I'm gonna have panel wall over here. I'm gonna have a panel wall, wood flare. Nobody can get me here. What? Did I get killed? Oh no, I didn't. Trying to get out. Ah, that's what they are? Oh, cancel. Gonna get to my base so this is a place where they won't get me. Wood floods. Wood flare. Wood flare. Ah! Ah! Hey monsters, I am waiting. No. No. Okay, good. Okay, I'm here. I'm alive. I am alive. No, I died. I am not alive anymore. Okay, one wood flare is like on fire, kinda. Hey, wood flares, bet you can't catch me. Okay, two. I'm gonna trap them. Okay, so I'm gonna place this here. Did they disappear? Yes, they did. And I have a panel wall, and it looks just like that. Oh, dang it. What's this? Okay. So, how does this even work? It's just there. It's just sitting there, and I have another panel wall that works for something because I can jump over it. Oh no. And I can't. Okay, so I don't want to be lazy. All I'm doing is this, and now two. I got an idea. I'm just gonna grab this. Okay, so okay, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm trapped. I'm trapped in the wall. I'm glitching. Okay, so I wish I could slash kill like on Minecraft. Okay, I am glitching. Okay, good. Okay. Ah! Cancel? God, where's my base? Okay, so I'm gonna reset. Reset. I am dead. Good. My base is over there. I got an idea. And basic building. I'm gonna do fun machines, and I'm gonna grab an elevator, and I'm gonna place it over here. Over here. Over there. Over there. Over there. Where can I place it? Maybe over here. Two. Fast ghost zombies. Come on, just activate. Okay, now you can't catch me, boy. Okay, I'm waiting for them. Oh, they're trying to get in my base? How? Okay, two. And all I'm gonna do is put dish over here and put dish over here. Okay, 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 okay. So I'm not gonna use this anymore. I'm just gonna fly and keep flying. I don't think they're that fast. I am up here. Parkour! No, 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 no. I am not good at parkour, and I will never be. Okay, at least I have these jump panels because... Oh. Crud. Okay. For a second, I was like, I don't want to say any bad words. And then I was like, crud. Oh, crud. Oh, no. No, crud. No! I died. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. Okay, at least I've survived for a very long amount of time. And yeah, I haven't been killed in a long time, so I'm just gonna run. Oh, what? That kills you? What? I don't know. So I'm gonna go over here and whoop. This kills you, I think. Oh no, you can just climb over it, which is cool. Quickly go in here. Let me. Ooh, there's a bed that you cannot hide under. And whoa, where did the floating panels go? I'm just gonna go through here. And there's no elevator here. Where are we supposed to go now? Okay,